Good day guys, and welcome to our channel. If you are still trying to grow your YouTube channel by hunting down high search volume keywords on old legacy tools, you are setting your channel up for failure. In the modern algorithm, over 70% of all platform views originate directly from the homepage feed and suggested sidebar, not the search bar. The algorithm does not prioritize text matching, it pushes packaging validation. This means if you want to pull explosive views, you need to find outliers, videos from channels that have massively outperformed their typical medium baseline view counts. So when a channel that usually struggles to hit 1,000 views suddenly fires off a video that clocks 100,000 views, that is a statistical data anomaly. It means that the packaging, the exact combination of the title hook and the thumbnail design forced the algorithm to distribute it outside their subscriber circle. Today, we are opening up 10 out of 10 for a highly detailed, step-by-step beginner tutorial to completely automate your competitor research, reverse engineer viral structures, and scale your content pipeline. Also guys, if you want to try 1 out of 10 for free, you can check out my link down below in the description for a free trial and follow along. Okay guys, and don't forget, if you want to register, it's actually free and very easy. So just press on get started for free here. Then just use your Google account or just your generic email to get signed up in just a few seconds. Okay guys, and from here, let's jump directly onto the primary web interface to build your first high-performance ideation matrix. When you first log onto the main cloud directory workspace, you will notice a clean central interface shell. So the design can look deceptively simple because there's no isolated tab labeled outlier search, but instead the entire dashboard home screen functions as your primary engine inquiry field. So guys, to pull clean, non-saturated concepts out of your system architecture, you must bypass the standard list layouts and configure your tracking boundaries by clicking the dedicated filters button located in the top right hand side of your dashboard view a bit later into that. So let us just configure a bulletproof beginner search string. Okay guys, so how do we use this app? So as you can see, we have the search in here on the very top that says search videos, thumbnails, niches, and of course channel. So you can just go ahead and perform the search right away. But of course, just like I said, we have a very cool mechanic in this website that's called the multiplier. So a very good example for me to show you this is, as you can see, we have this some kind of video of this sum of formula, whatever this is, some kind of product. And as you can see, it has 1.1x multiplier. So that's just a little bit better than the channel's average. And right on the right, as you can see, we have something from, I'm guessing this is some kind of Coca-Cola channel or something, that as you can see has a whopping 622 multiplier. That's just insane. So as you can see, the outlier is above the channel's average of 36k views by 621. So as you can see, this is precisely what you're looking for. So you just go ahead and open up your filters right over here. Once again, don't forget, I didn't explain that to you. If you want to use this service, right, I highly recommend you buy a subscription. As you can see, we have the monthly for $49 and also we have the Pro for $89. And this will unlock all of the site's functionality. So back home. And now guys, if you want to start, you need to go into filters. Provided you have a subscription, you'll have access to all of them, as you can see. And now you just need to slide the configuration node that corresponds to outlier score to at least 5x or 10x. So don't go super crazy with it though. And this commands the database to completely hide typical flat uploads and only display videos that pulled 5 to 10 times the channel's normal view numbers. And now guys, the next one is the channel's subscriber range. So you can just limit this field strictly between 1,000 and 50,000 subscribers, okay? So you can, as you can see, swipe them and slide them both from both sides. So in here, you just choose 1,000, you can just leave that at default. And in here, just drag it from right to the left until you have 50,000. And this is the single most important rule for beginners. Massive channels with millions of followers can pull 500,000 views purely on legacy subscriber momentum, even with a lazy title or a bad thumbnail. And a tiny channel has zero momentum, if their video hits a 15x multiplier, it is absolute validation that the concept itself is generating pure organic velocity. Okay, and in terms of the time window, pretty simple here. Just select past 30 days or past 90 to ensure the trends are highly relevant and active right now. So just choose, for example, last month or last 3 months. And of course, guys, when you're done forming your filters, right, and changing everything, you can just perform the search. Also, before that, I almost forgot, choose the video type, shorts or long videos. So shorts are really blowing up for the past few years because of the popularization of TikTok and all of that stuff, and shorts on Instagram as well. YouTube adopts it also as well. So unless you want the longer videos, you can just choose shorts. They are very easy to create and pull a lot of views. Just do that. And after that, guys, apply the changes. And now when the changes are made, when the filters are applied, you can just go ahead and search for something. So for example, I will just type in video editing. Just type that in and either press enter or just on this arrow here. Okay, and the interface will instantly output a customized grid of verified outliers matching your exact production criteria. All right, guys, and this takes us to a little bit of something different. Let's talk about the Chrome extension. So while the web app is phenomenal for running macro data sweeps across the entire global directory database, you don't want to keep logging back into a secondary dashboard every time you are looking for loose inspiration. So to fix this friction point, just deploy and download this little extension. Let's install it. Add extension. Okay, and you can also open that up and just pin it here so that you can always have access to it. So once you add the utility to your browser, you can just authenticate to your account, open this up, log in, use your account once again, just like you did when you registered. Okay, and after that, when you set that up, you can just open up your Google website, and then you're ready to work pretty much from the start. Okay, and this extension instantly remaps how you see your feed by embedding real-time analytical metadata blocks right onto every video card layout block. So as you can see, if we look at the interface now, it's a bit changed. So as you can see, we have this 2.4x multiplier. We have other data as well. If you hover your mouse over this, as you can see, we can track the channel, bookmark it, find similar thumbnails, and generate ideas from this video, so based on this video. So that's pretty much it, guys. When you're ready to generate your idea, just press here. As you can see, just tailor the results to which you want to create. As you can see, we can create and add a managed channel. Okay, just let's use the same channel. I'm just going to go ahead and go to Beluga, wherever this is, copy the nickname, insert it here and add. So once again, you go here, generate ideas, Beluga, and now as you can see, it's now generating our ideas, and you can generate some more and of course use these ideas to post them on your channel. And once again, guys, if you are completely ready to take a guesswork out of your YouTube strategy and test these data filters yourself, you can try it completely for free for 14 days using the link down below in the description to claim your free trial pass now. So that is it, guys, for this one. If this step-by-step tutorial helped you out to understand how YouTube works and how to make money off videos, make sure to like and subscribe.